Hey everybody, it's me, Jason. Name of the channel is Jason on Location. Just want to thank everybody for watching today and hope you're having a great day. Today is December 28th, it's a couple days after Christmas. I wish it would last a couple more weeks. Anyways, next week is New Year's, so it's gonna be 2025 before you know it. I've actually got some bad news for today. I actually lost my wallet recently and I can't find it anywhere. I misplaced it somewhere. Last time I used my wallet was at a Wawa's on 95 in Vero Beach, right by on US 60 and I-95. I tell you, this is so unbelievably frustrating. I checked my room, I checked the kitchen counters, I checked the inside my dresser, in my bathroom, my closet. I checked everywhere that I can think of. I even went through the laundry room. I checked all my pockets. I leave it in a pocket. Did I wash it? Is it in the washer, the dryer? I've checked everywhere. Now I'm gonna go check my dad's car because I used his car yesterday because I was driving to Vero Beach. And if anything, it's probably gonna be in his car somewhere. So I'm gonna check it right now, see if I can find it. This is one of the last places I could think of that the wallet could be at. I can't imagine losing my wallet, you know, right after Christmas and everything, and I got New Year's next week. So I need that wallet. I have to find it today. I remember my debit card and my credit card is not in there. I have that in my dresser. So thank God I didn't bring that with me. There, or my debit card. I actually left that at home in my bedroom in one of the drawers in the dresser. So thank God I still have that. But I do have cash in my wallet, my license, my social security card is in there. So losing this wallet, it's not like the end of the world for me, but I really need to find it because I just can't imagine somebody stole it from me or I misplaced it. It makes me look really bad, or it feels bad actually. What the hell is this thing going up? I have looked everywhere in this car. Can't find it. I have looked everywhere in this car. I have retraced every place that I can think of. Where did I go yesterday? Yesterday afternoon, I drove to visit my friend in Vero Beach. It's about 20 miles north of where I'm staying at in Port St. Lucie. It's like 20 miles north on I-95. I remember last night I was in such a rush. When I got home, I didn't even think about my wallet. Until this morning. This morning I was thinking about it. So I looked everywhere, I was scrambling, I couldn't find it. I was like really stressing out. My thinking, it's somewhere, I left it at the Wawa's gas station or it's in my dad's car somewhere. I can't imagine anyone stealing my wallet. Really, there's not much to steal, you know what I mean? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep looking for it today, and then I'm gonna keep looking for it today and tomorrow, and then I'm gonna go Monday. I'll go to the DMV, try to get a new license, and I'll go online to see if I can reorder a replacement card for the social security card. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. It's just really frustrating for me today, and I could never find my wallet, so that's still missing. So I don't think I'm gonna look for it tomorrow, so I'm just gonna start trying to replace my wallet with a new wallet and get everything, you know, I need to get for it. But this happens every once in a while, right, to everybody. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day. Okay, thank you.